Okay, in this video we are going to compute the volume of a sphere. First, we need to import the p constant from the math module. We write from math import p. This is the constant p. We need that constant to compute the volume. First, we need to get the radius of the sphere. We write radius equal to, for example, we can get that value from the user. We use the input function. The user can input the radius using the keyboard, the standard input. We can specify a message to capture that value. The user read that message to perform some action, some specific action. In this case, input the sphere radius. Okay, now we have the radius. We can compute the volume using this formula. Volume equal to 4/3 multiplied by p, the constant p, multiplied by the radius to the third power. Radius to the third power. Now we can show the content of that variable using a print statement, a print invocation. Print is a built-in function in the Python programming language. Here we use the volume variable. Now we can execute this code using the yellow play button. We can input the phi number, and that will be the radius for the sphere. Press enter and we get the result. This is the result for the volume for the sphere. We get 523.6 approximately. Okay.